We make, we create, we draw, and we paint, and we learn, and we play in the STEAM Lab Club every day.
Hi friends, and welcome to the STEAM Lab Club. Woohoo!
Yeah!
I'm Miss Lauren, and this is
Coach Jerry!
Woohoo! And friends, we are gonna have so much fun today. Have you ever seen corn dance?
I've never seen corn dance. I've only seen Coach Jerry dance.
Well, today we are gonna see some corn dancing. Woohoo! Alrighty, friends, so if you want to see some corn dancing, let's go over all the materials we'll need.
Alrighty.
Okay, friends, so first we need some popcorn kernels.
Popcorn kernels, check.
We need some measuring cups.
Measuring cups and measuring spoons?
Yes, the both of those.
Check.
We need some handy dandy vinegar.
Vinegar, check.
Awesome. We also need some baking soda.
Baking soda, uh-oh. We know what these two ingredients might do.
I wonder what's gonna happen.
Williker.
We need a clear jar. And we need some water for our clear jar, right?
Yeah, there's the clear one, there's the water. Gee whiz.
Alrighty, friends, and we also need a tray or container to catch everything, okay?
Yeah, because things could get wild here. We know that.
And food coloring is optional. Alrighty, friends, so are you ready to watch some corn dance?
I'm super. How are we gonna make this popcorn dance by itself? The only way I can see us making this dance is by me shaking it like this.
There's another way.
What?
Yep, let's do it.
Fine.
Alrighty, friends, so what we're gonna do is we are going to take our jar and then we are going to fill our jar with water about halfway, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna fill it about halfway with water. How does that look, Coach Jerry? Is that halfway?
That looks like halfway. I mean, that was perfectly halfway.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Next, what we're gonna do is we're going to take our popcorn kernels and we're gonna take just a handful of popcorn kernels.
Okay, just a handful.
Just a handful, okay?
So like this many.
Yes, that's perfect.
This many, okay. Handful.
Handful.
And just put them in?
And put them in, maybe a little bit more.
Okay, few more. Tell me when.
That's perfect.
Perfect, okay.
Okay, up next, we're gonna take our measuring spoons and our measuring cup.
Okay, I have a measuring spoon, and how much would it be?
So what comes next? Is it the vinegar or the baking soda, Coach Jerry?
It says the vinegar. Pour vinegar into the glass, and the vinegar is a half cup.
A half a cup of vinegar. So we're gonna take this red measuring cup.
And which is the half cup? Because I'm not sure. I'm always so confused about these. Okay, so the half cup, guys. All right, can you see this okay? It's gonna say 1, and then there's gonna be a slash, and then it's gonna say 2 afterwards. It should look like this, all right? Keep your eyes peeled.
Look closely.
It'll either look like this, 1/2, or it'll look like this one, 1/2. 1 and a 2 next to each other, okay? And then it will say cup. All right?
So that is what we're gonna use for the vinegar.
Uh-huh.
Alrighty, friends, so we're gonna take our half a cup and then we're
Okay.
going to pour our vinegar into it.
All right.
All right, Coach Jerry.
Oh, P.U.
No, you don't have to smell it.
Woo!
Just pour it in.
Wow, vinegar does not smell fantastic. All right, right there.
Perfect. And now we're just gonna pour this right into our container. Do you think it's gonna dance yet?
I don't know, is it?
Is it dancing, friends?
I don't see those that popcorn dancing yet.
No, not yet, because we need to add something else. What else do we need to add? It's not dancing. What is gonna make our popcorn dance?
Well, the only ingredient we have left is baking soda.
That's it. That is what's going to make our popcorn dance. It's a cool chemical reaction.
And how much do we need?
We just need a half a teaspoon.
A half a teaspoon? Or a full tablespoon, it says here.
Oh, a tablespoon. All right.
A full tablespoon.
So let's pour it in.
Okay, so we have a full tablespoon here. Let me get that. Whoop.
Oh, Coach Jerry, you gotta be careful.
I am not good at this. So we just pour this in.
Right into our popcorn kernels. And let's see if it
my
starts
goodness.
dancing.
Okay, drum roll.
Let's see, let's see, let's see.
Here we go.
All right, put it down, put it down.
Hold that can. We gotta
Oh,
see it.
look. Coach Jerry,
Oh, that is so
look
cool.
at it. They're dancing.
All right.
The kernels are dancing. So friends, let's dance along
that's
with
cool.
our popcorn. Come on. There they go. Up and down. Woo, woo. Come on, come on, come on. Dance, dance, dance. Just like the popcorn. I told you we could make popcorn dance. Look at it go.
And look, they keep going
They
up
keep
and
going.
down.
So if you want to add more baking soda,
It will?
come on, let's see. It's going.
Oh, wow.
Not so much.
Oh, whoopsies.
Oh no!
Oh,
Come
no.
on! Let's
Coach
dance with our
Jer-
corn.
Wow.
Dance, dance, dance. Come on, Angelica. Come on, Caleb. My carapace wants water
that
sauce.
is neat.
Dance, dance, dance. Woo, woo, woo.
Is it working?
It's working.
Wow.
I've never seen popcorn dance like that.
Neither have I.
That was so much fun. Woohoo!
Who knew that this popcorn could dance by
Oh yeah.
itself?
Oh yeah. Well, I want to get to some more moving, Coach Jerry. You think we should take a techie breakie?
Yeah, I think we definitely should because we have another project.
Another
coming up.
one. So
Woo!
let's get to a techie breakie.
Let's
Come
do
on.
it.
Red, orange, yellow, and green. Blue, indigo, violet, they mean there's a rainbow in the sky to be seen. Let's learn the colors of a rainbow. A top to bottom, high to low. Roy G. Biv is the name to know. I'll show you now. Come on, let's go. O R is for red, red. O is for orange, orange. Y is for yellow, yellow. G is for green, green. B is for blue, blue. I for indigo, indigo. V for violet, seven colors in a rainbow. Roy G. Biv is the color routine. Red, orange, yellow, and some green. Blue, indigo, violet, they mean there's a rainbow in the sky to be seen. Let's sing about how a rainbow is made. A little bit of sunshine and some rain. The light shines through those tiny little drops and makes those colors really pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roy G. Biv is the color routine. Red, orange, yellow, and some green. Blue, indigo, violet, they mean there's a rainbow in the sky to be seen. Maybe one day when you're out for a stroll, might be soon when you're old. If you find yourself at the end of a rainbow and lucky, you might just find a shiny pot of gold. Oh, Roy G. Biv is the color routine. Red, orange, yellow, and some green. Blue, indigo, violet, they mean there's a rainbow in the sky to be seen.